Welcome to Dance Giggle Wiggle. Are you ready to have fun? Let's go.
Some words just don't sound the same as the letters in their name, but don't you worry, come and play. Let's learn to spell the word they. T-H-E-Y, that spells they. Let's clap it out and shout hooray. T-H-E-Y, now you know. Let's spell it fast and then real slow. T-H-E-Y, T-H-E-Y. They're jumping, they can run, they are having so much fun. It's a word you'll use each day, so sing along and shout out they. T-H-E-Y, that spells they. Like when we say they came to play. T-H-E-Y, it's short and sweet, a super spelling song to repeat. Let's spell they with something fun, a silly rhyme for everyone. Tiny hamsters eat yogurt, yum. That's a sentence full of fun. It helps us spell, it helps us say. T-H-E-Y, we're spelling they. T-H-E-Y, you're spelling pro. You've got the word, now let it show. T-H-E-Y, hooray, hooray. You know how to spell the word they.